To insert text onto the page, it's pretty simple. We'll go over to the top, click Add, and you'll notice that it says Text. Click on Text and a paragraph drops onto the page. To edit the text that's inside here, you can do it two ways. Click the drop down and go to Edit Text. You'll notice that dashes surround the text here, which allow you to double click and simply say, Mike was here. When you're finished, simply click Done. Move your text into place, reduce the box to the size that you'd like. There you go. Now let's do it another way. Click Add Text. Text is on the page. Double click the text, put in your text. It's that simple. Click Add Heading. Once the heading is placed onto the page, you'll notice it says Heading, double click to edit. Simply double click, and there we go. Now when you click onto the text on the heading, you'll notice that when you click on it, over on the right hand side, the palette opens up and says this is a heading 2. Now you can change this by simply going down to the text type and changing it to heading 1, 2, 3, or 4. Now, here's something very, very important about search engine optimization that a lot of people may not know. Many people believe that heading 1 means a larger font type, or heading 2 would be smaller than 1. Now, although that may be true in some cases when it comes to editing text, it's certainly not true for Google. So here's a very serious search engine optimization hint. Heading 1, there should only be one heading 1 on your page at all times. The heading 1 describes to Google everything that's going on about that particular page that Google is viewing. Heading 2 is used for headings for paragraphs. And you can have multiple heading 2s, 3s, and 4s, but only one heading 1. Try to be as descriptive as possible about the heading 1 because Google pays very close attention to that, so it understands the subject of the page. And if you return to Add, you'll also notice that there are also additional items under the text box. Not only is there just text and headings, but also forms and HTML, which we'll show you in other videos.